Hey everyone, I want to make a little video here. Thought you might find this interesting. What you're looking at is my aquaponic system that I tore down, I think around October last year, maybe November. And we are in the middle of April right now, so about 6 months ago. Now it's just been sitting on the side here. We're at the edge of the property. I just stacked everything up along the fence line. Haven't done anything to it. There's no irrigation or anything like that over here. In fact, we just came off of a pretty extended drought. We've had some rain in the last week or so, but anyways, the last thing I grew in this was Roma tomatoes. And look at that, there's a Roma tomato. Actually, it's a little odd looking. Might have cross-pollinated with something. But let's look down here. This plant just goes on down. And then look at this on the ground. And they're a little, they're sort of Roma shaped, a little odd. But boy, there's a ton of them. So let's go over here. Look at this between them. More tomatoes. I mean, this plant just keeps going and going. Again, remember, I haven't watered, but it's just pulling nutrient. Maybe there's enough moisture in the expanded clay there. Maybe from the just the dew at night or something. Let's come around this side. Look at that. This thing's huge. Start digging under here. Just tomatoes everywhere. Well, I haven't harvested any yet. None of them have ripened, but they're getting close. At least I think they are. Again, they look like they're not quite like the Roma exactly. Hopefully they have a good taste, but some unintentional gardening. These are some really nice volunteers. So you can see the expanded clay is exposed there. In fact, the back one is full of leaves, but it all seems to be coming out of this bin. So it's just from whatever seeds had fallen out or dropped into the it's out hydroton, the expanded clay. That's what I use. So anyways, that's pretty neat, huh? Just some free vegetables. Didn't have to do anything for them. Thanks for watching.